All right, y'all. So we have added to our luggage. We bought some more Samsonite because this Samsonite been the ride or die. So we currently have 2 carry-ons and 2 backpacks. And so what we added was a rolling tote to carry on because we always, for the actual carry-on that we have, we always put those in, we always check them. So we bought this beautiful, oh, it comes in a dust bag. This is fancy. Look, baby. Ooh, we got a little dust bag. So this is what we currently have. This, and then that backpack. And so what we bought was this as an addition. Y'all ready for this reveal? Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is how the goal is to do this. So we'll have that backpack will go now on top of this. And this will be our setup. What do you think? We love it. I already love it. All right, let's see what it looks like on the inside. So, it's got your TSA lock here. And then it opens right here, and it's got buttons on the side, so you can open it like a suitcase. And it's pretty good size, so it gives us quite a bit more room. And then there's a place here for your laptop. It's got a padded place for your laptop here, and then just a pocket up front. Ooh, that's got things in it. Ooh. So it's got pencil pockets and everything here, and then open the top one for me. And then this one has a padded place for your laptop and your iPad. And then this is the inside of it. And then it's got a pocket here. Oh, it's got a thing in there, and then it's got a pocket here. Oh, this is phenomenal.
More space.
Yeah. It's nice. It's nice. That's real nice.
Black wheels.
Nice spinner. All around wheels, like we're used to.
Put it down and spin it.
Let's put it down and spin it, like my wife says. Ooh, it's good. It rolls good. 360 wheels. This is not. Oh, and we caught it on 50% off, so it was $138 per unit, which was phenomenally priced because they're usually $300 each. So we were very excited to grab it, and it's got leather on it. I don't know if y'all can see, but the front of it, or this part, is leather. It's very pretty, and it also has what's this called? A trolley strap. If we want to put this one on top of this one, it can also do the same.
It's lightweight.
And it still has stuffing in it. That was because we haven't taken it out yet. But it's light with nothing in it, which is really, y'all, that's key. Because these, when you're checking them or doing anything, if they're heavy before you put anything in them, they're going to be way heavier after. So
Weight matters.
Yeah. Okay, Samsonite right here. Y'all better put the logo everywhere. You see what I'm saying? I love that you can. Approved. Approved. Full-time traveler approved. As full-time travelers, your luggage matters. And we are grateful that we invested in our luggage before we started full-time traveling. After we had an incident with some luggage we had and it broke to pieces, and we were like, all right, we're not doing that again. Let's go ahead and get some good luggage. And we found the 2 we have as a set. It's the Business Pro set. And we found it on Costco.
Yes.
Yep. And it was such a good deal, so we couldn't pass it up. And those bags have been through gravel, sand, all the streets in the world. Because, a lot of places don't have like quick get to the places, or a lot of these countries don't have a lot of pavement everywhere. So they've been through everything, and then we'll still glide like nobody's business. So I'll tell you what, we will stick to Samsonite.
Yep. Oh, can you do it like this?
Maybe. But who's gonna? How you gonna? Only my wife. And can.
Don't tell me what I can't do.
And can. Cause look. Oh, that's pretty dope. Look at that. Thank you, Samsonite. Sponsor us.